So you're gonna need braids, any braiding hair of your choice. I'm gonna use this kind of braid in this orange color. So I'll start with freshly washed hair and conditioned hair. We're gonna use that pointy comb just to part the hair, and then I'm gonna start braiding my hair at the back. As you can see, I'm just parting my hair, and I'm gonna do big portions. I'm not gonna like do the small size braids. I'm gonna do the big ones, but not so big, but just medium sized braids. So that's how I'm parting my hair. To get a more defined look, you can use a gel of your choice, any braiding gel you can use. So I'm using that one. I'm using a gel just to hold on my hair because my hair here is still short, so I need them to be like very defined. And then I'm just doing that. I'm braiding a 3-strand braid, as you can see, and then just a simple one. Make sure it's tight and you're strengthening your hair as you're braiding so that it can be thin. That's the trick. So that's why you need to use conditioned hair. Your hair needs to be conditioned. Then you're taking part of the braid, you're separating the braiding hair, and then you just crochet it. So the first one I'm putting on my hair is going from one side of the ear to the next side of the ear. So that's how I'm laying the braiding hair, like that, when I'm crocheting. So yeah, and then the other one, the second one, the crochet needle needs to go to face down on your neck. So you're kind of creating like a cross sign or a plus sign, and we're doing this on purpose. We're doing this on purpose. So yeah, so then that's how your hair should look like. That's how your braiding hair should look like, in that form. Then you take your natural hair, you see, the one you braided, and then you put it in between, and then you cover it with the braiding hair. You can do this with any color of braids. So this, as I stated in the title of the video, I'm going to show you how you can hide your natural hair in colored braids. So that's the trick. So I will show you again. So then you just keep braiding and make sure you keep hiding your hair in between the braids. You tuck in the hair in between the braids as you did in the beginning. So I will keep on braiding, and when I feel like my natural hair is out of the braids, I mean it's outside the braids, the braiding hair, I just tuck it in and then I continue braiding. So that's the trick. It's very simple and it's very quick. So I'm gonna keep on braiding until I reach the end, and that's how your braid should look like. And when I reach at the end, because one side will definitely be shorter than the other side, so I'm just separating them in two, and then I just do a two-strand twist instead. So that's how I do my two-strand twist. I just like roll and then I crisscross them, and then I roll both sides and then I crisscross them so that I get this tight two-strand twist. So that's what I'm doing, sweetheart. I hope you understand my explanation. I'm going to repeat the same process so that you can understand better. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe and comment down below which kind of videos do you want to see, and also you can tell me if this has been helpful to you. So that's how my braid is looking like in the end, and it adds more texture to the braid. So yeah, so I did the full head, and now I'm gonna repeat this side, the front part, the last one. So you lay your needle, your crochet needle, from one side of the ear to the other side of the ear. Then you pull the braiding hair in. Make sure both ends are equal in length. So that one will lay like that, and then we're gonna take another one. That's the second one. So the second one lays, you can point the needle in front, forward to your forehead, going backwards, and that's how you pull it. So you create like a cross sign or a plus sign, and then you take your natural hair, the strand of your natural hair, and then you tuck it in. You see that's your natural hair, and then you lay it on top of the other braid, and then you cover it with another with another braiding hair, like that. So the middle one is the one you use to cover your natural hair, and then you start braiding. As you braid as you go, if you feel like your natural hair comes out or pops out, you just tuck it in again like you did in the beginning, and then you keep on braiding, making sure that your natural hair doesn't pop out of the braiding hair. So it has to stay in between. This is the trick you can use with any color of braiding hair you're gonna use, whether it's white, it's red, it's purple, and you're not gonna see any of your braiding hair outside, and your braids are gonna be knotless. Then, you know, so you can see the root of my hair. It's very smooth. Yeah. So then in the end, I kept on braiding until when you reach in the end, you just do a two-strand twist. I don't know why I keep making mistake on pronouncing this, but I hope you guys understand. Yes, the tongue can twist sometimes. So that's what I'm doing, and then that's it. That's all you have to do. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed, and I'm just doing that two-strand twist in the end, as I told you, and it adds more texture to your hair, to your braids. You can do this with any kind of color of braids, as I told you, of braiding hair. So this is a trick to hide your natural hair. It doesn't matter how thick your hair is, how kinky your hair is, it will just be tucked in under those braids like that. And then I'm just gonna trim the flyovers on my braid, and then after that you just make sure you dip your braids in hot water just to make them more straight and more settled. You can put curls in the end if you want, but I wanted mine to be straight, so I just dipped them in hot water, and voila, here are my braids. And I laid my baby hairs, don't forget that, it makes it cuter. So this is all I have for today. Hope to see you next time, and we are going to learn something new. I'm going to show you more tricks concerning your hair. You can do this at home. Can you imagine that? It's a DIY. You do it yourself. You make your own hair. You braid your own hair in a professional way. So thank you so much for watching this. My name is Viviana. See you on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for all of you who have subscribed and trusted me. So I hope to see you in the next one. And you can see I styled my hair in different styles. You can also do that with your braids. So yeah, bye bye.